guys, so this is part 2. I'm talking more on horror games, or more like the scary games. I did a bunch in my first video. We were just kind of randomly chit-chatting. It was like more of a vlog style, but I did want to jump on here and give you guys some more. A lot of you guys really liked it. Couldn't believe the amount of you who didn't know Fatal Frame. Like, it's such a good game. Like, it's such a good game. I mean, the first one's great too, but honestly, like, the first one's really good too, but the second one is just my favorite. Something about that. I think it's because it was the first one I played of the series that I loved it. So I think that's why I gravitate towards that one more. But definitely check them out. Check them out. You'll love them. Thank me later. Trust me, you'll love it if you love horror games. But I'm going to give you some new ones that you guys can play on PC that I really like. These are quick ones, but a lot of you guys were like, oh, like give some quick ones that aren't like super long, in depth, or super hard. So I have 2 for you, and they're made by the same people. I found the one by watching Markiplier. I love watching him. I know. And it's Sweet 776, and that game is good. That had me scared. I was so nervous to go around each corner, and it shows you how much, like, you don't need to overly do something to make a creepy atmosphere. Like, you just don't. You don't need a bunch of stuff. You don't need a bunch of people. You do not need a huge area. You're in this one little apartment. You're mainly going in this one section, and it is terrifying. Absolutely love it. I find that you guys probably love it too. I think it's only a few dollars on there. At least it was when I bought it, but it was great. It's on Steam. It's great. Do highly recommend, if you're gonna play it, definitely put some earphones on, because it makes it 10 times better. Okay, 10 times. Another one is A Girl's Fabric Face. That game, at first I wasn't getting it until I got to the end, and that game is good. Definitely freaked me out, definitely scary. Not as scary as Sweet 776, but still got a creepy factor that I think a lot of you guys will love. And again, that's also on Steam. I think it was only like $1 or $2. It was not much. I think a lot of you guys really like it though. Again, wear it with the headphones. Get that atmosphere. Play it in the dark. It is so creepy. Like, it's really good. I really loved it. They're not super long. They can feel pretty intense with the way the music is and the way, and I love that, especially Sweet 776. I haven't felt that way in a game in such a long time that I felt like a little kid. So I recommend, if you want to get scared, they're cheap, they're on PC, create the atmosphere, and really, like, it's really creepy. And I think you guys will love it. Definitely highly recommend. I had a lot of fun playing them. And there's different endings you can get for both of those games, which I love when they're like that. I just love it. I don't know why, I just do. It's something with me that I just love. So I highly recommend both of them, and I wanted to jump on and give you guys some quicker games and really cheap and affordable games, and I hope you guys like. If you guys want more, I'll give you more too, but yeah, those are some 2 games that they're available on Steam, easy to find, and really cheap. And they are creepy, and they're not too long, so you guys can enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Like, comment. I love hearing from you. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.